How to install OneDrive on iPhone. If you want to use the OneDrive application and wondering on how to download it on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store of your mobile phone. Just like this. After that, tap onto the search bar and type OneDrive. Just like this. Then here you can find the OneDrive right here. Select it. Now to download it, simply tap onto this cloud button. Just like this. If you are installing the OneDrive for the first time, you will see the Get button. Just like this, instead of that cloud button. Now wait for a few minutes and the app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now to open it, simply tap on to open right here. You can also find the app on your mobile screen just like this. And that's it. This is how you can install OneDrive on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.